Creating an open-source project targeting end users was a tough ride, and I made a lot of mistakes along the way. In previous episodes I mentioned some of them, but the biggest was that I originally did not give it a proper home page. About a year ago, due to changes in Django web framework, it became possible to really simplify the deployment to Heroku. As a part of this process, I needed to make a wizard to pre-fill out this Heroku form. I had another reason for it, another daft idea, to provide paid support. But, it would be too complicated for Heroku installations. One more thing I learned the hard way. Anyway, the current home page looks like this. It may not seem like much, no screenshots, no videos. That is precisely why it works. The point is for the user to click as soon as possible. The links in the upper part lead to various parts of the documentation, covered in another video. Most of visitors just click on install. That is what I want. They can read the docs later. Or not. There are two more links at the bottom, one about some stuff this software does not do, and a comparison with two of my other tools. And that is it. Except, let me explain why I think having a separate home page is important. It mostly has to do with habits. Developers are quite used to starting from the repository or technical documentation. End users are used to being sold to. It is that simple. So, with this home page, I come as closing to selling as I can. As I said, most of them just want to test the app. Click on install. Some want to know more about what it does. They read the manual or watch the videos. Very few interested in other aspects will find appropriate links. But even if they do not install at once, they will remember that there was a big red link saying install. Also, this site has several pages that are not really related to the software itself, like the production notes. It explains several caveats, like that there is no user support and that updating is not as simple as installation. For those who want to get the full service, there is a page with commercial alternatives. This is one of the ways how we make money on DMP, indirectly. I have always seen DMP as an investment, and in 2020, it started to pay off. But, more about that in the next and last video in this series. On this channel, I will keep covering development topics. Over 100 videos are available on Music Metadata channel, including this series about DMP and Latona, DMP's commercial sibling. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.